Vijayawada and its neighboring areas have recently faced severe floods, leaving homes submerged and thousands affected. But why is this happening, and could it have been prevented? Today, we'll explore the causes of these floods, including the role of the Budamaru Canal, and take a closer look at a broader issue: why experts warned against choosing Amaravati as the capital of Andhra Pradesh. Stay tuned to understand the critical challenges this region faces. Let's begin with the recent rains. Vijayawada was hit hard by this season's monsoon, recording over 37 mm of rain in just a few days. Combined with poor drainage infrastructure, the city's systems were overwhelmed, causing significant urban flooding. But there's more to it than just rain. A key factor in these floods is the Budamaru Canal, a water channel flowing through Vijayawada. As rainwater poured in, the Budamaru Canal overflowed, with its silted banks and encroachments further exacerbating the flooding. The canal's capacity was simply insufficient to handle this deluge, and backflow from the swollen Krishna River added to the chaos. Now, while Vijayawada faces these flood challenges, neighboring areas like Amaravati, where the state capital was planned, are also at risk. The Siva Ramakrishnan Committee, appointed to assess the viability of Amaravati as the capital, raised serious concerns about this region's ability to sustain urban development. One of the committee's major concerns was the loss of some of the best agricultural lands in India. The Krishna, Guntur, and West Godavari districts, often called the Rice Bowl of India, are critical for food production. By converting these fertile lands into urban spaces for the capital, we're not only threatening agriculture and food security, but also displacing a massive agricultural community. In Guntur alone, 65% of the population works as cultivators or laborers, and in Krishna district, 56% depend on agriculture. Repurposing this land for urbanization would directly impact these livelihoods. Beyond agriculture, the Geological Survey of India also highlighted geological challenges in the region. The Vijayawada Gunturu Tenali Mangalagiri area, where Amaravati was planned, has a high water table and vulnerable soil types, which are unsuitable for high-rise buildings or large-scale infrastructure. These issues pose long-term risks for construction, including foundation problems that could lead to costly repairs or dangerous collapses. Another major issue is the floodplain itself. The stretch along the Krishna River, where Amaravati is planned, is a highly fertile floodplain. Naturally, floodplains are designed by nature to absorb and discharge excess water during rainfall or flooding, regulating river flow and replenishing soil. Building a city on this floodplain would disrupt this natural process, increasing the risk of flash floods. Even a small amount of rain could cause severe flooding, as the impermeable surfaces of roads and buildings would prevent water from soaking into the ground. We've seen similar disasters unfold in other Indian cities. The flooding of the Adyar and Kuvam rivers in Chennai, or the Mithi River in Mumbai, are prime examples of what happens when urban development encroaches on natural floodplains. These areas, once capable of absorbing excess rainwater, now face regular flooding because the water has nowhere to go. If Amaravati is developed without keeping these environmental and geological factors in mind, it risks facing similar flooding issues. And as the city grows, impervious surfaces like roads and buildings will further block water absorption, creating flood risks even during moderate rains. So while Vijayawada is currently grappling with floods caused by heavy rains and overflowing canals, the future development of Amaravati raises even bigger questions. Building a capital city in an agriculturally rich, geologically unstable and flood-prone region is a risk that cannot be ignored. Long-term planning, with a focus on sustainability and environmental preservation, is key to avoiding disasters like the ones we've seen here. This has been an in-depth look at the floods affecting Vijayawada and the broader challenges of developing Amaravati. If you found this information useful, please like, share, and subscribe to stay updated on the issues that impact our lives. Thanks for watching. Check out the links in the description for sources and further reading.